our aim talaga, no, to promote classical music, and not just classical music, kundi Broadway musicals and even Filipino classics. So we want to give our young people, especially, an opportunity to be exposed to this kind of performance art. So, but yung mga young people, kagabi we were surprised ang daming dumating na young people. So, we're grateful for the opportunity na binigay sa atin na makadala ng world-class performances dito sa atin sa Palawan.
So this is
I think it is important, especially ang layo natin sa Manila, na we don't have access to concert halls, to monthly events na we cannot. It's important na kahit paano we get exposed to that also. It makes you more human.
yes.
Makes you more in touch with your the artistic side of yours. A special experience to be observing or watching shows like this. And it's good kasi dumating na tayo sa punto na people look forward to having this.